Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the MAC Electric Wonder Collection. So if you wanna see how I created this look using the MAC Electric Wonder Collection, then keep on watching. Also, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jocelyn and I do everything makeup and beauty. So I hope if you're new, you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and if you like this makeup look, please share this video. It'll mean so much to me. Let's go ahead and start. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my face. I'm gonna fast forward through that and I'm gonna jump right ahead to my eyeliner.
Different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win.
Okay, so now that my face is ready and my eyelids are ready, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the collection. I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow palette. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. I'm so in love with this pink and white marble with this gold essence to it. I love this so much. It's so pretty. It's just an Instagram type of a palette, literally, like everything about it is so perfect. I picked up the Desert Lightning palette because I really love all the colors. They're so pretty, just so gorgeous, and I love how it has a huge mirror. And yeah, let's go ahead and start. Let me see the names. I'm going to start with the shade Marzipan. I don't know why it sounds French to me, because there's a kind of dessert that we have where I'm from that we call it marzipan, and I don't know if that's what they meant by it. It's this color right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with this as my transition shade with a little Morphe brush, and let's go ahead and pack it on the eyelid. As you guys saw, I did use my Painterly Paint Pot by MAC as an eyeshadow primer. I'm not mad at this color. I like this color. Next, I'm gonna go with this darker color, which is called Brun S, which is this brown color. With the same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my outer corner, just like that. Ooh, so pigmented and so easy to blend. This is so amazing. I would go up with it and apply it right here, right on my crease, just to give it a dimension, just like that. Go ahead and do the same on the other eye. I'm really liking this so far. The colors are just so easy to blend. Such a high quality palette. For the shimmer shade, and I'm gonna pack this all over my eyelid, I'm gonna go with the color So Jaded. I'm looking at this. I don't really like when they do this. They put the names on this piece of plastic. I like when they put the name right under the color. Like, please just make it easy on me. Anyways, I'm gonna go with So Jaded, which is this color. It's kind of a minty blue aqua color. I don't really know how to describe this, but it's so beautiful. So let's try and pack it. I'm gonna try for the first shot without setting spray. Oh yeah, this is so pretty. Ooh, so gorgeous. Oh my god. Yeah, it's so easy to blend and pack it on the eyelid. I love this, you guys. I love this look so much, but just because I'm greedy when it comes to glitter and shimmers, I'm gonna go ahead and try to apply it with my fingers just to see how it's gonna look on the eyelids. Yeah, just a little bit more intense, which I'm not mad at all. I love this. So not that big of a difference, but still there's a little bit of a difference. So if you wanted to like pop up more and to show more the color, you can just go ahead and apply another layer with your finger. This is amazing. I'm gonna go back with the brush that I used for my transition and the dark brown shade, just to blend those together. Now I'm gonna go with this smaller brush, also from Morphe, and I'm gonna go back with this brown shade and I'm gonna apply it right here. I'm gonna go back in my lighter shade, the one that I used as my transition shade, which was Marzipan, and I'm gonna buff out this dark brown just to make it look a little bit lighter. My eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my translucent powder. I went ahead and applied my mascara. Have you ever tried to apply an eyeliner after applying mascara? I have, and yeah, it works. Just be super extra careful.
You're a rebel. Getting
Now my eye look is done. I want to tell you guys that I love this palette so much, and I'm 100% sure I'm gonna reach out for it again. The colors are just so stunning, so rich, and so easy to work with. This eyeshadow palette is a little bit expensive. It retails for $48, but I do think it's so worth it. It has 12 shades that you can create so many looks with, and it has this huge mirror that you can use a lot. So yeah, I love this. I'm gonna go back with my eyeshadow palette because I forgot to highlight my inner corner. And I'm gonna go with Fresh Innocence, which is this color. I think it's gonna look so pretty in the inner corner. Oh yeah, so pretty. Never ever forget the inner corner. It makes such a huge difference. The same shade, I'm gonna apply it on my brow bone. Yes. Now I can finally say that my eye look is finished and I didn't forget any step. Moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my bronzer. I'm in the color Canyon Dreamin'. Oh, it's a little bit dusty. It is dusty, you see? Do you see? Anyways, let's see how it applies. It's so soft. Regardless the dustiness It's such a pretty color. Yep. Very beautiful bronzer shade. Oh, by the way, the bronzer was for $30. Next item is the iridescent powder, and I got the shade Serenity Seeker, which is this color. There was this one, I don't know the name of the other one, but it was darker than this. I'm gonna try to use this as my blush. It's a little bit chalky, not so easy, doesn't show on the face. All I see is shimmer, so maybe it wasn't a very good idea to use it as a blush. Not my favorite. I was excited for it. I thought that it would be cute blush, but it's not. So don't use this as a blush. I did not like it. It's chalky. It's all I see is shimmer on my face. So to fix that and add some color on my cheeks, I'm gonna go with my Element eyeshadow palette. My Element blush trio palette. I love this a lot and I use it a lot. I'm gonna keep it light and go with this peachy light color, which has been my favorite lately. I love a light peachy blush. Off to the face palette that I've been dying to try. It's this very beautiful palette, has absolutely the same packaging as the eyeshadow palette. It's almost the same exact size. It has 6 different highlighting shades. There's some light shades and some darks. Those 3 are light. Those 4 probably will be my main shades that I will get a lot of use of. These 2, I don't know if I'll ever use. They are a little bit dark for me. I think what would be the perfect match for today for me is this color, which was Some Kind of Wonderful. I'm gonna go with this brush and apply it right here. It's cute. It's really cute. I like it, but I don't love it. I'm not sure if it's gonna be my go-to. Maybe for the days that I don't wanna add like too much of a highlight. Let's try and wet the brush and see if it's gonna make a difference. I need a little bit more, like just a little bit more. Yeah, that's more. So when I went ahead and wet the brush, it made a big difference. I like to put some here and here. Cupid's bow. I like it, but I don't love it. So I don't know if I'm gonna reach for it again. It looks so natural, so soft, but nothing special. I don't see anything special. This palette retails for $40. I mean, the eyeshadow palette is for $48. Much more, it's a little bit more, but I loved it way more than the face palette. Moving on, I have the last 2 items which will go perfect together, lipstick and lip gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up to show you the colors that I picked. Oh, isn't this so pretty? Oh my god. I love it. The packaging is honestly #1 that drove me to buy this palette is the packaging. This is the lipstick. It's in the shade The Naturalist. Ooh, it's a very beautiful nude shade. And the lip gloss, I picked the color Coral of the Wild. Let me go ahead and swatch it next to this. I think these 2 will look so pretty It feels a little heavy on my hand. I hope this is now how it's gonna feel on my lips, because I hate a heavy and sticky gloss. I love it. It's the perfect nude color. I'm gonna use this a lot. Moving on, let's try the lip gloss, and I'm gonna apply it in the middle just to give it a pop. These two look gorgeous and I love them. I love this so much. I want to look at it, stare at it, and keep looking at it. I just love it. The lipstick retails for $19 and the lip gloss retails for $18. Now that I'm done, what I can say about these products, what I'm sure I'm gonna reach for again will be these two, the lipstick and the lip gloss. The eyeshadow palette, I love it so much, so much. I'm gonna use it again. The bronzer, it was a little dusty. It was soft. The color is so perfect. It was the perfect color for me. But am I gonna reach for it again? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna give it a second chance. I'm gonna use it again. And I'll decide then if I'm gonna keep it or not. The face palette, the colors are pretty, but nothing special about it. And I know that I'm not gonna reach for it again. I know. So that was like my least favorite item. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. I'll be so happy if you do that. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!